Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza with baking soda. First, gather your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix these well in a large bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 3/4 cup of water. Stir everything together until a shaggy dough forms and all the dry flour is incorporated. Once your dough is shaggy, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. It should no longer be overly sticky. After kneading, place the dough back in the bowl, cover it, and let it rest for 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll out. While your dough rests, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, placing a pizza stone or baking sheet inside to get scorching hot. After resting, roll or stretch your dough into a 12-inch circle, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. Carefully transfer the dough to your preheated pan. Now for the fun part: spread your favorite pizza sauce, sprinkle with cheese, and add all your desired toppings. Bake your pizza for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbling. Keep an eye on it. You want those delicious, slightly charred edges. Once done, carefully remove it from the oven, slice, and serve immediately for the best taste. And for more great tips on managing your finances, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.